In this video, pag-usapan natin yung posibleng makalaban ng Meralco sa quarterfinals dahil sure na po ang Meralco na makukuha nila yung number 8 seed kahit po anong mangyari sa game on Sunday sa final day ng elimination round ng PBA Philippine Cup ay number 8 na po ang Meralco. At alam naman nating lahat na coming into this conference ay sila po yung defending champion after winning the 2024 season ng PBA Philippine Cup, their first ever PBA crown. No? Tinalo nila yung San Miguel Beer doon sa seryeng iyon. So, meron dalawang posibleng makalaban ang Meralco Bolts no sa quarterfinals at malalaman natin yan based on the result of Sunday's game no. So in the possible scenario na ganito na ang Meralco ay makakaharap ng NLEX no ay ganito po ang mangyayari if Northport wins against San Miguel ay magna-number one po ang NLEX. So, yun po yung isa sa mga senaryo na posibleng makalaban ng Meralco Bolts. Yung NLEX po, ang posibleng mag-number one, yan po ay if manalo po ang Northport over San Miguel. And makikita natin, no, even with a three-way tie for first, between NLEX, Ginebra, and Magnolia ay mananaig pa rin ng NLEX sa number one seed dahil nga mataas yung kanilang quotient. Matatandaan natin na tinalo nila pareho itong Ginebra and Magnolia. So even with a three-way tie for first na mangyayari if Ginebra wins over Rain or Shine on Sunday, ay ganyan pa rin po ang magiging resulta. No? Number one pa rin itong NLEX. So hindi po posibleng magharap ang Ginebra versus Meralco, no? Yung magkaribal na kupunan pagdating sa playoffs, hindi po mangyayari yan. At least dito sa quarterfinal round ng Philippine Cup, even with a three-way tie for first place between NLEX, Ginebra, and Magnolia, NLEX pa rin po ang makakakuha ng number one seed. And then even in a tie for first between NLEX and Magnolia, mangyayari po yan if Ginebra loses to Rain or Shine, yan pa rin po ang mangyayari. NLEX versus Meralco pa rin po ang magkakaharap sa quarterfinals dahil nanalo ang NLEX over Magnolia during the elimination round. So yun po yung magiging tiebreaker, yung winner over the other rule. Nanalo po yung NLEX over Magnolia sa elimination round. So it's going to be still NLEX versus Meralco sa quarterfinals ng PBA 49 season Philippine Cup. Meron din pong senaryo na baka magkakaroon agad ng rematch ng Philippine Cup Finals noong 2024 sa quarterfinals ng 2025 season ng Philippine Cup. So, San Miguel against Meralco in the quarterfinals. Mangyayari po yan if San Miguel wins against Northport on Sunday. So, rematch po noong 2024 Philippine Cup Finals na mangyayari pag nanalo po ang Beermen over the Batang Pair on Sunday, and even with the possible four-way tie for first, ay SMB pa rin po ang magna-number one dahil sa kanilang plus 17 na point differential. Meron silang bentahing ganyan kalaki kaya sila pa rin po ang magna-number one followed by NLEX at number two, and then Magnolia will be at number three, and then Ginebra will be at number four sa ganyan pong senaryo, no? In a four-way tie for first. And even in a three-way tie for first, no? With San Miguel, NLEX, and Magnolia, ay ganyan pa rin po. San Miguel pa rin po ang mag-number one pagtapos ng elimination round. Mangyayari lang po yung three-way tie for first if matalo ang Ginebra sa rain or shine in the final game of the elimination round ng 49 season Philippine Cup. Yung four-way tie naman po, mangyayari po yan if manalo din ang Ginebra over rain or shine. So yan po yung possible opponents ng Meralco sa quarterfinal round. So it's going to be either NLEX or San Miguel Beer. But regardless kung sinong makakalaban ni Meralco sa quarterfinals, I believe na it's going to be thrilling series na, and I won't be surprised if it will go down to a rubber match kasi considering na Meralco is fighting for their lives, they want to defend the crown Definitely, yung team na makakakuha ng twice to beat advantage ay malaking bentahe rin yun para sa kanila. But again, don't count out the defending champions Meralco despite their struggles. Ay hindi malayo mangyari na makaabanse rin ang Meralco sa semifinals. But it's going to be tough, especially with these opponents in NLEX and especially San Miguel na may gustong patunayan this Philippine Cup after nilang hindi pumasok sa quarterfinals ng Commissioner's Cup. So yan po yung scenario no for the Meralco Bolts, their possible opponent for the quarterfinals and aabangan natin yung resulta ng game or games on Sunday no para malaman natin kung sino makakarap ng Meralco as well as the other teams. Malalaman na natin on Sunday kung ano ang magiging quarterfinal matches sa 49 season ng PBA Philippine Cup.